from Disney Sea. Hope
Morning.
marami kaming masakyan na rides. It's Saturday, so maraming tao, and I think mahaba ang pila doon sa mga mga popular rides. So let's see how many rides we can do, and of course we're going to take some photos of this wonderful place.
Twinkle wanted me to wear this headgear.
Yes.
Wala tayong magagawa. Alam naman natin, happy wife, happy life. Kaya wala akong magagawa kung di kailangan suot.
Twinning!
Twinning daw kasi kami. Okay, so explore natin yung lugar.
Yeah.
It's already about 12 o'clock and this is our first ride pala. Mahaba mga pila. Kailangan.
Because it's a Saturday.
Ciao!
Kapag may mga kasalubong daw sasabihin, ciao! So it's Saturday.
Earlier, kumuha kami ng fast pass for the journey to the center of the earth. Pero imagine, our ride will still be at 9 in the evening.
Yes.
So we have to stay here until the closing time so that we will be able to experience that recommended ride here in Disney Sea.
So gano'ng kadami yung mga pumupunta dito kaya pipila ka talaga na mahaba. So imagine it's already about magto 12 o'clock na. This is still our first ride. So
Dapat early talaga, like sabi nila an hour before the opening, people are already lining up. Kami, we arrived at 10 o'clock already. So nakuha na yung mga slots earlier pa lang. Pumila na sila dun sa mga popular rides.
So, pag pupunta kayo dito, kailangan meron na kayong planning. May diskarte na kayong gagawin.
Yep.
Kukuha naman kami ngayon ng fast pass para sa Tower of Terror.
Thank you.
Kumukuha si Twinkle ng fast pass.
Get the fast pass,
Okay.
yes.
Kasi naubusan kami ng fast pass para sa Tower of Terror saka sa Toy Story. Buti lang meron pa kami dito nakuha sa anong rate dito? 20,000
leagues under the sea.
leagues under the sea.
So this is for the 255 to 355.
Show. Right.
So now we must,
Mag-overlap siya doon sa atin natin na isa.
hindi, from there we should
Go directly here.
Yes. So
Okay.
punta na tayo dun sa show.
Okay. Habang papatay kami ng oras kasi 2:10 pa yung next namin na activity. Tumakay muna kami dito sa modern bus. Hindi ko alam tawag dito.
1番目かもち